Well, good morning. We have before you a Singer 301 that I bought. And as you can see, it has lots of interesting problems. It's a train wreck. Look at all the rust. I mean, this is going to be like, wow, what was I thinking kind of thing. Okay, let me see if I can move it around. Yeah, she's got some issues. And again, oh, this is, all right, can you see the decal? It's like, oh yeah, there's the decal. And there's one here too. But, and here's Singer. And that's kind of old. And then we come back around here. I'm looking at this. So, top. And here are the feed dogs. Lovely, huh? Anyway, thought you might want to see. It's going to be fun. Oh, and I guess I should show you. Doesn't budge. This does. I'm amazed. Really, I'm amazed. This doesn't. And I had a bobbin. I took it out because it was rusted. So it did have all the stuff on it, like it had a pedal. So we shall see. This is a Singer 301, and this will be a challenge. Later. It may have been the dirt that was protecting it somewhat. I don't know. Kind of feel like, you know, a restoration artist, Da Vinci, or somebody like that, uncovering things. I did go ahead and put this in it to see if I could turn the wheel and put this down, and found that this isn't really attached to anything. It's just sort of hanging there. So that may be something we replace. See, that's the color that it used to be. I took the little felt thing off of it, and it did its job. It protected that finish. Can you believe this? I mean, it is just amazing to me. Now, I'm not sure about this stuff here. Okay, do you see it? Right here. I'm not sure what that is. It's just dirt, or if it's scarring. Not sure. We'll just keep plugging along here. Look at that. That is so wild. Look at that. And this is just the back. I haven't even really got going with the front yet. Here's another one, except it's rusted. See? Still coming off. Oh, that's okay. So my my dog's interrupted fighting over a toy. But I wanted to see. So this is where we were mostly. And a little bit of oil. And a little bit of patience. And we are in a lot better place than we were. Sorry about that. So there's still some places that you see that have issues. Some rust right here, I think. But, you know, this thing, I was totally caked in rust. And I was able to at least get it where, I mean, look at all this stuff. I mean, it's a lot better, but it's still not turning. So I'm still working.